We'll do it in real time here. You see Sean. And this is going directly into the drawer below. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Ryan here. So today is a little bit different. We've got the CNC on the go here, so forget the noise. But we are doing some routering on the Trend router table today. We've got Alex here from Trend. He's been helping me with a smart bench, setting up a few projects, hence him being here. But we got out the CRT router table, so we thought let's film that too. So we got the CRT Mark III router table with the Trend T14 router, about to do some rebates for our drawers. This is literally the perfect machine for it. Absolutely fantastic little table. It's going to be setting it up, getting our rebates all set up and run these pieces through. Right, so we're doing some open here. So we've got arrows here to show us which is the good face up because we've selected the faces. We've got the fences all set up. We've got a rebate cutter in there. So this is the model number of the part. Okay, they come with a little bearing on the top. So just take the bearing off. You don't necessarily need it. We're using our fence as the stopper. I don't know if you guys have watched any of our videos, but at the moment we are making a series on this ultimate workbench. So we are using the Cyclone system and the vacuum system for our ultimate workbench. We've got all sorts of ports here, 4 ports. Goes to all different tools, table saw, and also the bench. We've got a left hand and a right hand port where we can plug our hoses into. So we've got a hose, a CTS hose going directly into the machine. Okay, if you want to have a look at the CTS hoses and adapters, check this video out because they are all great quick release adapters. I'll show you how quick and easy it is. You just literally unplug it like that by squeezing the 2 blue tabs, and then you just squeeze it in. And then there we go, it's clicked in. And you can do the same anywhere you like, and they've got lots of different size adapters, so you can basically fit any tool, any hole, and they are so simple to click in and out. Anyway, the video is not all about the hoses, it's about using the router table because we love this thing. Any router table is fantastic because it just turns your router into a mini spindle. And yeah, we're about to fire it up. Whenever this gets turned on, this is going to turn on the vacuum. So if you want to know how that all works, watch this video. And yeah, we've got Sean demonstrating. Also got Alex getting some footage for his own use. Don't worry about that, that will just come off with a swipe of sandpaper, but this is all we need really. It's a rebate to accept the drawer bottom. So if you imagine they're going to go like that and the drawer bottom is going to sit within that rebate, so you don't see the drawer bottoms from the outside. Nice little touch. It takes seconds, and within 5 minutes Sean would have done the whole job. The good thing about this is it's portable also. It's very small. Throw it on a bench like we have, it just gets it at the perfect height. You can see he's not leaning over, not bending his back. Obviously if you had it on the floor, a different story, but you can prop this anywhere on site, on top of a pop-up bench, on top of your workbench. Works really well. So as Sean's doing that, we'll have a look at this Cyclone system quickly. Bit of a 2-in-1 video. So this is how a Cyclone works, okay, so anyone who wants to know, demoed here with our see-through Cyclone. We'll do it in real time here. You see Sean. And this is going directly into the drawer below. How cool is that? And there we go, within 5 minutes we've got the pile done. probably not even 5 minutes. Plus it's fun. It just means that you don't need to do this freestyle. You got a fence, you got it all set up. It's going to be repetitive machining time after time. Doesn't take up much space. Yeah, what else can you say? It's a fantastic piece of kit. So there you have it, guys. That is it. It's a little demo of the Trend CRT Mark III. It is a great little piece of kit. Not just saying that. It is portable, it's lightweight, and it just makes the job nice and quick and easy. Plus it's low cost compared to other brands. So yeah, what's not to like?